Hi there. Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind and looking for a way to make money online? Well, you're in luck because the internet has opened up countless opportunities for anyone to earn a living from the comfort of their own home. The first step to making money online is to have the right mindset. It's important to realize that making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and persistence to build a successful online business. But with the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The next step is to find a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or social media marketing, there's a niche for everyone. Find something you enjoy doing and become an expert in that area. Once you've found your niche, start building your online presence. Create a website or social media page that showcases your skills and services. Use social media to network with potential clients and build your brand. Another great way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale. Look for affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and start promoting them to your audience. Finally, don't be afraid to invest in your business. Whether it's buying a domain name, paying for advertising, or hiring a virtual assistant, investing in your business can pay off in the long run. So there you have it, a few tips on how to make money online. Remember, it's not easy, but with the right mindset and hard work, you can achieve your online business goals. Good luck.